Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Sagittarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the message that they need to hear most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Saggis, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Let me put them open. Okay. The Star, 9 of Cups, the Queen of Swords, 10 of Cups, Page of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, 4 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles, and the Fool. All right. Okay, so Saggis, things may have kind of stagnated at the moment in some connection, it seems. Somebody's got their sword up now. After a lot of healing, I think, and understanding that something is not giving them happiness, I think I have a feminine energy here. See, bottom of my deck, I have the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. This is lack of equal give and take. So I think somebody's kind of picked their sword up to say, hey, listen, I need answers or I'm going to cut you off. Even though something made them really, really happy, or someone did made them very, very happy, I think somebody's put this relationship to a halt, there's stagnancy, because somebody didn't want to stay in this stressful place forever. Okay, so before I start clarifying these cards and move forward, let's start with some dialogue message cards, Sagittarius. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Yes, it does seem something which seemed like a wish fulfillment at one time ended up not making somebody happy at all. All right, let's take a few more from here, Sagittarius. Okay, I'm going to take a couple more from here, Saggis, and then we'll start your reading. Okay. All right, Sagittarius, let's begin. The first card here says, I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allowed it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. I always felt your loving energy so strongly as a comforting presence. It hurts me when I can't feel your energy. Are you pulling away from me? I try to detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy, which takes me over. Damn it. I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the times we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. I only want 2 things in life: everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you always and forever. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to that all-consuming love that I have for you. So even though the love was there, but something made this Queen of Swords feel emotionally dissatisfied here. My ex and I are just friends. I have to juggle a lot of responsibilities right now. All right, Saggis, if this is resonating with your story, Let's start clarifying your cards, but before that, let me take an angel blessing card. See how my angels will bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Pray. One. Can I have one more, angels? One more for Sagittarius. Your prayers are being heard. That's what this card normally says. I just want to see what else is there for you. Heaven is watching. Okay, same, absolutely same message. Whatever you've been praying for, Sagittarius, please know that every word, every prayer, everything is being watched and heard by your angels. Heaven is watching over you, and your prayers are being heard. Okay, so never feel alone. Never feel things have ended, or you're feeling. Let's see. What's the Star card and the Nine of Cups, Spirit? Star and the Nine of Cups in reverse. Oh, and the Nine of Cups. Nine of Cups. Such a strong soulmate bond, but it's kind of stagnated at the moment. Maybe somebody really had these wishes of, feeling like the Empress to their person, maybe hoping that their person would put in work. Maybe they could have a fresh, brand new beginning. This felt like such a strong connection, like soulmate kind of bond. But here, I don't think it really took off. Something stagnated here, and it's put, I think, this Queen of Swords into a very stressful place. I have the Queen of Swords twice here now. Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords. So what happened here, Spirit? Why did this, from suddenly being, such a powerful and beautiful connection, somebody had a lot of hope. Somebody really had a lot of hope, but something happened here. Oh, maybe a third party situation? Was it, Spirit? Queen of Swords. What's this Queen of Swords? Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords. I think this Queen of Swords is still waiting. I think they've made up their mind. They feel the justice has not been served. They are actually waiting for a second chance. I feel they want their Ten of Cups. They want their Ten of Cups, even though things may be stagnant right now. Somebody is still looking forward that one day I'm going to achieve what I want. I will have a second chance, and I will get out of all this stress and worry. Ten of Cups, Spirit. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. Oh my God. Nine of Swords to the Ten of Swords. This is what their wish was, to have this Ten of Cups, and this is what they have received, I think. Five of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, they feel their masculine, I think, here in this equation was not ready to take action. Maybe told them something or had some communication with them which was very cold and harsh and to the point. Maybe I have a lot of responsibilities right now, I can't be there for you. Some kind of selfish behavior was shown, which has kind of stagnated this connection. Eight of Swords, Spirit. Eight of Swords. Somebody's still hoping, healing, waiting that one day the stress will be over. Somebody will rush back in maybe and start something new and offer this Ten of Cups, I think, which somebody's been waiting forever. So even though right now they may feel defeated, they probably can't sleep at night, worrying, wishing, but I don't know, something has ended here because of somebody's very direct conversation or selfish behavior, but somebody is still hoping that I'll get a second chance, things will happen again. Somebody is just kind of manifesting maybe, or praying or hoping or healing here. feeling a little abandoned and left out in the cold, but waiting, I think, that one day it will be over. Four of Swords, Spirit. What's this Four of Swords? Even though they have no clarity right now as to where this connection is going, somebody is still wishing and hoping for movement to start again and happiness to come back in. Even though this is a fog, like they're not clear as to what's going to happen, because already they're feeling defeated because somebody has maybe put an end to this connection. But I do see the feminine energy, I think, here, still hoping, wishing, praying that even though, so and so said this, I'm sure it's a lie, I'm sure things are going to start moving again, and there'll be happiness once again. Five of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, somebody is feeling quite defeated right now. They're feeling a little abandoned, left out in the cold, because this communication that they're waiting for hasn't come. There's been no message, no news, nothing to say that this commitment is coming or is possible. What's this Fool card, Spirit? Fool card. What's this Magician? I don't know. This is more like wishful thinking, I would say. Somebody is still waiting for that fresh new beginning, somebody to take a leap of faith and start again. I don't know whether that's going to happen. Look at the cards here. I have the Five of Swords. That means somebody is winning over the others, so my way or the highway, creating tower moments, leaving somebody out in the cold. Whereas the other person is still manifesting a brand new beginning and still wanting that position that they hold so close to their heart. This is an imbalanced connection. Let's see what this is. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Yes, even though it's imbalanced and nobody is really investing, or at least the masculine is not investing, somebody is still trying to stay strong here, hoping and wishing that one day this fight will be over. Still waiting for that message, still waiting for that commitment, still waiting for some forward movement. So that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.